Guys, good morning. This is day 2 of Kodaikanal trip. Today we are going to do some drone shots. It's around 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to show you a view of a Kodai Lake and also the view of the resort very soon. So guys, this is a herbal garden that the resort has. It has many herbal properties and also nice plants around. That's where is our room, and this is how you go out. To tell you, we are going to visit multiple places today and I'm very excited. You stay tuned with me because the view outside my window looks amazing and so will be the places. Okay, let's go and see the upper lake view. That's the place. Chalo. So guys, we have reached Moir Point. This would be able to see there. I'm going to share some photos, but for now it's a ticket corner. You have this such a big parking and a crowd here. There are some shops and eatables if you want. You don't get water here. If you want water, you get only 5-liter water bottle. So ensure that you carry your own bottle to preserve the nature. And for now, stay tuned. So guys, that's a viewpoint which is jam-packed. You can't see anything because there is too much of a crowd, but this is the view on Friday. Saturday and Sunday, this place will be full. In a minute, if you see, this place is covered with fog. That's the Moy Point. So many people here. Beautiful place, beautiful season to come. Just reached pine forest. If you look behind me, there are pine trees all around. All the movie scenes in the older kind of movies, right, including Raj, etc., have been shot here, and this is the nice places for you to see. A lot of monkeys. So keep taking care of your things while you come here and enjoy the thing. For now, stay tuned. So guys, you look at this seat made out of pine wood. Beautiful place. People take photos here, so if you want to take a photo, this is the place. You can also opt for horse riding. So guys, we have come to Manavur Lake, and this is maybe the last point of Kodaikanal. Natural lake, right behind me is the way how you go, protected by military, but very nice place. I'll just give you a glimpse of. If you look behind me, it's all green, hilly area, beautiful way. You have a trail to walk from here and come back, and outside that gate there's a parking. There's also a ticket here which you have to pay. Guys, after walking for almost 12 to 13 minutes, it is amazing. There is also a boating which is happening. You have a horse riding. You have lot of sheep here. Weather is beautiful. So guys, I hope you have liked the place. The place was amazing. We are going back to the cab. Plan is to see one or two more places and then head back to hotel. So guys, this is the last attraction of today, which is BRYANT Park. BRYANT Park is situated in the center of Kodaikanal, and this is a big botanical garden. You would have seen a similar thing in Ooty. It